Hello kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, food and health. Food and health. In this lesson we shall study different nutrients required by our body. In this lesson we are going to study different nutrients required by our body. Importance of eating a well balanced diet and role of exercise and rest in keeping us healthy. In this lesson, we are going to study different nutrients required by our body, importance of eating well-balanced diet, and role of exercise and rest in keeping us healthy. Understood? Okay, come on. We all need energy to do any activities. Yes or no? Without energy, we can't walk anything. We can't walk, we can't move, we can't sleep, we can't do any work without energy. We get this energy from the food we eat. How we get energy? We get energy from food. Whatever we are eating now, we get energy from that one. Food also helps us to repair the wear and tears of the body cells and fight against infection and diseases. Food helps us to repair the wear or tear of the body cells and fight against infections and diseases. The body is like a machine that works well only when it receives necessary fuel. Yes, body is a one type of machine. When it works, when it get a good fuel means food. That food converted into energy. Food is the fuel of our body. Food is the fuel of our body. We eat different kinds of food. Food. This food breaks down into smaller, simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body through the process of digestion. In the last 2 years, in the previous classes, we learned about the digestion of food. How the food will get digested. Food break down into simpler form means simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body. Through this process is called the process of digestion. Now, nutrients are substances in food that our body needs to enable it to functions properly. Nutrients are the substances in food that our body needed to enable to it functions properly. The nutrients in food supply energy to the body cells to perform work. They also help in proper development and growth of the body, keeping it protected from the infection and diseases. There are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients are substances in food that our body needs to enable it functions properly. Our body need to functions properly. What need? Nutrients. Our body needs nutrients to function properly. The nutrients in food supply energy to the body cells to perform work. The nutrients supply energy to our body to perform a good work, to perform a better work. They also help in proper development of growth of the body, these nutrients help us to proper development and growth of the body and protect from the infection and diseases. So there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Activity is there. One activity is there. Look here, kids. Can you tell the difference in these 2 families? Which family is, according to you, looked happier and healthier? Here 2 families are there. Can you guess? Can you say which family is happy? Happy family, and why? Say no, kids. This family is happy because they are eating proper food. They are eating proper food. From food we get energy. Understood, no? This one family will not eat proper food. It will not eat all nutrients food. So they are weak. They are unhappy, unhealthier. Understood, no? So this one family is a happier and a healthier family. Next, see carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates and fats are nutrients. Okay, carbohydrates and fats are nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats are essential nutrients. They provide heat and energy to our body. Hence, these food are called energy-giving nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats are called what? Energy-giving nutrients, because they provide energy and heat to our body. Energy and heat to our body. And they are, again what? They are found abundantly in where? In rice, wheat, maize. Yes or no? This one carbohydrate we get in rice, wheat, maize, etc. Already you are eating chapati, means it made from a wheat. Every day you are eating rice, means you are getting a carbohydrate properly. Understood, no, kids? We will see carbohydrates such as laborers or sportsmen who do physical strenuous work need more carbohydrate. Food grains like rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, corn, ragi, as well as the vegetables, fruits, beans, potatoes, sugar provided carbohydrates to the body. We must include preparations like bhakris, chapatis, and bread as part of our daily diet. Where we get carbohydrate? We get carbohydrate in rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, corn, ragi, as well as vegetable, fruits, beans, potatoes, and sugar. We get in these all food items, we get proper carbohydrate. And what we eat every day? Bhakri, chapati, rice, bread. Eating, no? So we get a proper carbohydrate. Understood? Next, see fat. Fat provide heat, warmth, and energy to the body. Milk and milk products such as butter, cheese, ghee, and different kinds of oil contain fat. Where we get fat? We get a fat in milk and milk products such as butter, cheese, ghee, and different kinds of oil contain fats. And fat provide heat and warmth and energy to the body. Fats provide heat, warmth, and energy to our body. Healthy sources of fats include olive and the canola oil. Healthy sources of fat are olive and the canola oil, sunflower, rice, corn, and the soya oil. We get a healthy resource, good quality fat in this one oils. Understood? Next, see no more fruits and vegetables. Know more about fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are among the better source of carbohydrates because they are contain only natural sugars and rich in fiber. They are also low in fat. They provide other important nutrients including minerals like potassium and vitamin A and C. Fruits and vegetable we should eat this one because fruits and vegetables are better sources of carbohydrates. They contain only natural sugar Most fruits are sweet, no kids? Most fruits are sweet. They contain sugars and rich in fibers. They are also low in fat. They provide other important nutrients also like minerals like potassium and vitamin A and C. So we should eat all type of fruits and all type of vegetables. Here think, Mr. Raja works in an office. He does very little physical work through the day. Mr. Raja works in office. He does very little work through the day but eat a lot of fried food like a batata vada and french fries very often. What kind of effect will they have on his health? Here Raja works in an office first of all. He do not had any physical work. He has only mental work. Whole day he is sitting and doing work on computer. So he does not have any physical work. So he no need of this one which type of energy fat food. But he eating a fatted food, fat nutrient food. From that what happened? He become a day-to-day fat man. Means his body will become a big one. His body only grows. Understood no? Fat increases in his body. Because he is eating vada pav and fries. This one made from oil. Vada pav and french fries is made from making this one used oil. Look here. Oil is healthy sources of fats and more fat in which one type of oil? Canola oil, sunflower, rice, corn and soya oil. In oil more fat will be there. Understood no kids? Now we'll see protein. Protein are basic bodybuilding nutrients of living things and are responsible for the growth and repair of the body cells and the tissues. Growing children need a more protein than older people. Proteins, they are the basic bodybuilding nutrients. Proteins are bodybuilding nutrients of living things. They are responsible for the growth, repair of the body cells and tissues. Growing children need more proteins than the older people because growing children are growing and they are playing here and there. They get a hurt on their bodies. That part cells tissues become damaged. So they need a repair of that one body part, tissues, cells. Understood now? Now see sources of proteins. Sources of proteins include fish, meat, milk and milk products like butter, cheese, yogurt, egg, beans, pulses and yoga. Sources of proteins include fish, meat, milk and milk products like butter, cheese, yogurt, eggs, beans, pulses and soya. Understood the kids? Do you know your hair, your nails and the outer layer of your skin are made up of protein called the keratin. Our hair, nails and outer layer of our skin is made up of keratin. Understood? Next on the page. We'll see vitamins and minerals. Okay? Vitamins help our body to fight against infection and stay healthy. These are thus knowing protective nutrients. Like a fat, vitamins required in very little quantity. Some good sources of vitamins are whole grams, whole grains, cereals, fresh fruits and vegetables. Egg and milk products, meat and vegetable oil. You need vitamins A for good eyesight and the vitamin B for hemoglobin. Can you know, kids? Vitamins help our body to fight against infection and stay healthy. They help us to stay healthy. They are thus known as the protective nutrients. They are also known as a protective nutrients like a fat, vitamin are required in very little quantity. Some good sources of vitamins are whole grains, cereals, fresh fruits and vegetables, egg, milk products and the meat, vegetable oil. You need vitamin A for good eyesight and vitamin B2 for a hemoglobin. Vitamin A is good for eyesight and vitamin B12 is good for hemoglobin, means oxygen carrying pigment in blood, which also give it its red color. Hemoglobin is the thing in our blood that is oxygen carrying pigment. Hemoglobins are oxygen carrying pigment in blood, which also give in it its red color. Vitamin C and vitamin E build the body's immune system. Vitamin D give us stronger bones and teeth. Vitamin K helps blood to clot in case of wound or in an injury. Vitamin C and vitamin E build the body's immune system. Vitamin C and vitamin E build the body's immune system, and vitamin D gives us stronger bones and teeth. Vitamin D gives us stronger bones and teeth. And vitamin K helps blood to clot in case of a wound and in an surgery. These are the vitamins and minerals. Okay. Next, see minerals. These are the food these food are rich in vitamin and minerals. Minerals are substances found in food that are essential for good growth and development of body. The body needs many minerals such as iron, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium and iodine. Minerals are also protective nutrient. Good sources of minerals include egg, meat, milk, pulses, fresh fruit and some vegetables. Minerals are substances found in food that are essential for good growth and development of the body. Where we get minerals? The body need many minerals such as iron, phosphorus, calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and these minerals are protective nutrients. And tell me, kids, where we get minerals? Most of the minerals we get in vegetables, leafy vegetables, carrot, beet, yes or no? And milk products, butter, cheese, curd, paneer. These are rich in potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus. Banana contain a potassium mineral. It improves the blood quality and also strengthens muscles. Bananas contain potassium. Bananas contain potassium, a mineral that improves blood quantity and also strengthens muscles. Iron needs to making a blood, and it's found in green leafy vegetables. Okay, good sources of minerals: egg, milk products, pulses, fresh fruits, and some vegetable. Understood, kids? Okay, I will stop here. In this video, we'll stop here, and in the next video, we're going to see the water, etc. Until you read the lesson and write down the new words in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.